Hey, what's up and welcome back to Eizy Customizer. We build, we share, and we're inspired. This week, I'm back with Let's Customize series featuring Bandai 30 minutes mission kit that can transform into a dual cannon tank. This is design number 2. You guys can check out my first tank design in my other video. The link is in description down below. I am still using the base from 30 minutes mission Alto kit with the extended armament tank vehicle, but this time around we need to set without any extreme modding like cutting, gluing, or sanding. You only need the model kits that I mentioned and the spare runners. Find the 3mm thickness of runner like this and cut them into pieces. Let me show you how to make one. First, you need to disassemble Alto's legs and some parts from the legs, leaving the tights, knee joints, and the leg joints. Next is to disassemble all the parts of these two tanks here. Remove all the parts that you don't need, like this weapon handles, these 3 parts here, these 2 front tank tracks, and you only need these 2 front parts. This huge man body here, you only need 1. Next, let's start customizing. First, we need to make a new set of legs. Attach this huge tank track and remove this front tiny part here. This is the leg joint from the Alto. Push this inside and this part as the base. This will be the front section of the tank. It will look like this. Make the other one and assemble them back to Alto. Next, we're gonna make a backpack. Just pull this upper part downward like this and put these joints at both sides. Attach the extra tank tracks to the sides using these 2 packs here and attach it onto Alto. For the cannons, use this 3mm runner to make the metal connectors so the cannons can be attached to Alto's arms, and this final piece here will go right here. The mecha design looks plain and the legs are loose. Since this is only the basic tips for you guys, you may improve it using your own style. So for the tank transformation, it is a Partsformer. You need to disassemble some parts again, remove the backpack and both cannons, also the legs. Start by transforming both legs like this. Take the Alto and turn it, rotate the arms and the head and bend these parts. Take another 2 pieces of 3mm runner, put them inside this hole here, the side skirt. Grab the legs and connect them like this. Next, rotate the arms a bit until they will look like this. Remove this piece from this cannon and put this piece on the top. Pull out these 2 tank tracks. And yes, you need another 3mm runner. Put them here. So you can attach the tank tracks like this. For this upper section here, use the backpack parts and turn it into the original position. You will find a connection at the front and 2 connections at the back, which are perfectly fit for this design. See these 2 gray connections that we put early on? Use the packs to hold these 2 arms on both sides. Finally, the dual cannons. Put them back on both arms. And there we have our dual cannon tank. You guys can reveal the tights like this. It looks like extra guns hiding there. These are some photos that I took, and like I said, this is the basic design. You guys can create your own design, a simple kit bashing and customizing without extreme modding needed. that's all the video for today. Hope you guys enjoy it and see you guys next time. Ciao. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow me on Facebook Eizy Customizer and my Instagram Eizy. The links are in the description down below. I do customizing, I do kit bashing, reviews, tutorials, and many more, because here we build, we share, and we're inspired. See you guys next time. Ciao.